This biker witnessed it all. What should have been a simple fuel-up turned into a heated exchange when a Jeep driver accidentally hit this rider's bike. Even a small bump can be a big deal for a motorcycle.
What'd you just do that for?
Sorry about that.
What'd you just do that for?
No, sorry.
What'd you just do that for? Why did you just hit my bike?
I thought I could make the turn.
Why did you just hit my...
This rider thought the driver was going to do the right thing, but as soon as he looked away, the driver floored it. A painful lesson in why you should always get the plate number
Pull
first.
over, pull over. Pull over right now. Pull over. Right now. Pull over. Right now.
I'm sorry.
Stay right there.
Hit the tire.
Alright, stay right there, please. Do not leave. Do not leave, okay? Do not leave. I'm calling the police. Stay right there. Sir, how you doing? Stay right there. Call 911. He just hit my bike. Call 911, please.
No, back the
This biker did the right thing by creating distance from a guy looking for a fight, but his wife had other plans. She stood her ground and showed him exactly why you don't mess with this duo.
Hey, yo, back the up, bro. No, back the up. Back the up. Hey, yo, back the up. I swear to God, back the up, bro. Back the up. Get in. No, no. Get in.
This biker politely asked the girl to step out of the way, but her brother didn't see it that way. He stepped in immediately to defend her. Watch what he had to say.
Hey, baby girl. What? What up? What? What you want to do? Huh? Sister. Who's your sister? That's my sister who's walking down the street. That girl. Walking down the middle of the because she's trying to find our Uber. Because she's trying to find our car. She's trying to find our ride. Okay, well you need to get the road. Well, she's young.
This driver tried to make a turn without looking for oncoming traffic, and things almost ended in disaster. Let's just say his girlfriend wasn't comfortable with his driving after this one.
Pull up. Walk on. Walk on. Walk on. Get the f out of it. Get the f out, bro. Why you put it in front, bro, when I'm going 50? Are you f***ing idiot?
I'm gonna ram you.
Ah, you f***ing idiot. You f***ing idiot. Oh. Oh, roll down the window. What, you think you're bad? You don't think you're bad? You don't think you're bad because you got a girl next to you. You don't think you're bad, you got a girl next to you. You gotta get your f***ed up, bro. You gotta get f***ed up, that's what you think.
One second changed everything. While cruising, this rider found a car driving the wrong way directly in his lane. He He had to slide off the bike to
Oh
save
my
his own life.
God.
The bike crashed and caught fire. Can anyone spot what went wrong here?
Okay. Am I recording? Huh? They were in my lane. God.
Stay here, stay here.
We need to put that fire out, dude.
Get away from the bike.
Go to Mountain House. Go to Mountain House. Get a fire extinguisher. Bro.
Okay, bro?
Yeah, you were in my lane, dude.
We're over here, man.
I got it on film. I got it on film.
You have your GoPro on?
My GoPro's on.
Because that's a fucking point.
That's an $18,000 bike, bro. And it's 4 weeks old.
Like,
Go to Mountain House and tell them we need fire immediately. Dude, God. Call 911, dude.
is you okay, bro?
I'm banged up, bro, but
You got it on camera, right?
yeah, my GoPro's going, dude. And I was well within my lane. You got insurance?
This is a rented car.
Okay, so it's insured.
Lane splitting might not be illegal, but it definitely sparked a confrontation here. This rider cut off a driver who was only feet away, and the driver didn't hold back his frustration.
I'm sorry, okay? Hey, won't have to be like that, all right? Have a good day, sir.
This biker got harassed by an old man who got mad at him for having fun and popping wheelies. Fortunate enough, the people around stopped the man and sided with the kid to make sure he's safe.
I literally know them. It's not even illegal.
Dude, that's so fucking dangerous.
It's
that
not
if you
illegal.
even fucking touch me, do you know what's happening?
Touch you? I'm not even touching you.
I don't want this in my neighborhood. I'm calling the cops.
Okay, call them.
Good. Because it's kids like you that are gonna hurt somebody.
Oh, okay.
Why don't you fucking go somewhere in Stanford and do that shit?
I already do it.
Don't do it downtown anymore.
The cops don't care.
They're gonna.
So why do you care?
Because you're gonna hurt somebody. And if my friends are here and you do it and you run
Your
into
friends?
them, they're gonna knock the out of kids like you.
Okay.
I suggest you get the out of this neighborhood. I'm gonna call the cops because I'm tired of you being here and you've run into me before.
Run into you,
This
not
is Ramona University. This kid who's run into me more than once with his
I haven't
bicycle.
run into you.
I'd like you to send policemen down. This kid is doing something that's highly illegal.
It's not
and
illegal.
He's riding his bike without a front tire and he's running into elderly people.
Bro, I swear to God.
No, dude, don't leave the scene of a crime. It's
not a
I'll
crime.
have to tackle you.
It's
Send
literally-
a cop down to University of Ramona. There's gonna be an incident.
Go ahead, take off. Go.
I literally can't do
Take off.
anything.
Okay.
Can you go? Just walk.
I'm trying to walk.
I'm
with
just
you.
trying
Go
to
this
make
way.
sure
I'll
you
walk
guys
with you.
get here. This
Come
kid
on.
is running.
I don't need to get out of here.
You what?
I don't need to get
You
away from
don't?
me.
You're okay?
Yeah, but I don't know why
Please send a cruiser down to Ramona University.
I mean, he's mad because I'm doing willies, but the cops don't even care, and I know them.
Okay.
It's happening
So you're
right
okay-
now.
you're
It's
okay?
going
Yeah, I'm
down
fine.
now.
They're just gonna
I just
tell.
wanted to make sure you're
Oh no, thank you.
Before
I'm 18.
No. I don't know if he's white or black. He's got a mask on.
White or black? Oh my God, bro.
You've had a kid.
Dude,
You're dangerous to this neighborhood. You've run into me before. Yeah, the police are coming.
he said I hit him. I didn't even touch him. I've never.
Listen, I'm standing here, and there's a big
We don't want
problem.
you to be in trouble.
This kid is dangerous. He's running.
He's saying
into my
that
friends.
it's
He's running
illegal,
into
but
elderly
I literally
people.
talked to the cops about it, and they don't.
He's
It's
wearing
not in
a
the book.
Metallica gray shirt.
I just want to make sure that you're safe.
Yeah.
Huh? How they catch you with this one? This one ran more than that one.
he'll never catch me.